day for rowing, and now it's just what T-Rex and his mother did. Roar! Roar! T-Rex's mother went to find some food. T-Rex possibly quietly till she came back. She went to war some more. A dragonfly flew past. T-Rex chased them down the wall and gave a big roar. Then T-Rex roared so loudly it tripped the wall and it broke. It fell down the river, splashed. T-Rex didn't know where he was going and forgot to find dinosaurs. She joined them and got their whoosh right over his head. And he looked up, he was back on land, and a pack of children was staring at them, big, scary eyes. Then T-Rex ran in the dark forest. Didn't know where he was. Where was his mother? He wondered well he could. Maybe he'd hear something roar back, but it wasn't his mother. It was a big Allosaurus. T-Rex ran so fast he tripped over his own legs. He tumbled down the hill, rode past the Triceratops. He landed in a nest full of eggs. Their bones were a very big, very angry Allosaurus. There was no place T-Rex to hide. There's only one thing he can do. He opened his mouth and roared. And the Allosaurus ran away. T-Rex saw that something was behind it. His mother roared, scared Allosaurus away. T-Rex flat and was gathered again. There was gathered again. There was T-Rex and his mother went very good. They were gathered again. They had a great day for roaring. The end.
Good job, kiddo.
Can I see?